this exercise, we will understand the extension line gap from the part and the extension line gap from the dimension line can be controlled in the 2D drawing of the SolidWorks. Suppose this is a part, simple model. This is I am taking the drawing, new drawing, and OK. I am selecting the side of sheet. I am selecting the side of the sheet A3. This one. Unit from the bottom side, I am taking the millimeter gram second. Okay. Now, there are, if I go in the view palette, the part is coming here. If it doesn't come, then we can search the browse. We can browse from here by clicking here. So I am selecting this part. All the views comes in this view palette. This is the task pane. In the task pane, there is a view palette. I am taking the front view. This is the front view. This is the top view, and this is the isometric view. This is the bottom view. This is the front. This one. Suppose I am dimensioning this part. This part I am dimensioning from here. This is the dimension. This is the dimension of this part. You will see there is a gap. If I zoom it, so there is a gap between this is the extension line. The horizontal line are the extension line, and this is the dimension line with arrow. Dimension line. This is the dimension line. These horizontal lines are the extension line. There is a gap between this part and this extension line. There is also a gap beyond the dimension line. This one. I am zooming here. So how it can be controlled? This can be controlled if we go in the options and document properties. Here is the dimensions. Here you will, right hand side, you will see there is extension line. Gap is 1.27. If I suppose I take 0 and beyond also with 0, this gap becomes 0. Suppose I take the dimension. Document properties, dimension. There is extension lines. Gap is 0. Beyond dimension line 3.18. See here that the extension line beyond the dimension line gap is reduced, and here is the gap between the extension line and from the part surface is 0. Suppose now I increase this gap. Option, document property, dimensioning, this extension lines. Gap is 0. Suppose I increase this 3 mm, and beyond dimension line X is also 3 mm. You will see the changes. The extension line gap from the surface is this increases, and the extension line beyond the dimension line also increases. This one. Then I'll also show the example of, I zoom it, I take the dimension. This horizontal line are the extension line. The gap here is 3 mm. You can see here. And the extension line from the dimension line, this is the dimension line. From dimension line, this is extended 3 mm. Suppose I want to reduce 0. How can we do it? option, document properties, and the dimension. This is the extension line. Here you can see extension line gap is 3 mm. Suppose I make it 0. And beyond dimension line, this is 0 also. Okay. See, the extension line gap from the part is 0 and the dimension line just at the end of the extension line. So in this way, we can control the dimension of the extension line gap and the extension line from the beyond the dimension. This way we can control this way. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. Please share, like, subscribe my this channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.